Hey, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Today, for you, I got one of these rolling knife sharpener sets. Alright, let's check this out. So, I have been seeing these all over all of the internet, everywhere. Every platform you look on, you see ones where there is just two sides to put the knife on. This one here actually has 5 sides instead of 2. The original one that came out, it had 2. So this one has 5 sides. Why is there 5 different sides? You have all different degrees of an angle on each one. So you got all different angles. Some knives require a different angle for its edge, for sharpening its edge. In the box you got this whole thing, tells you how you set it all up, how you put the knife on, blah blah blah. That's not in English. We're gonna find the English side. Diamond grinding. Okay, so each side of this is a different diamond grinding disc. One side is 400 grit, that is your rough side, and the other side has your 1000 grit. That is your fine side. I really like how this works. It is very, very, very simple to use. So on your side that you're going to use, take this little cap off. You could visually see the difference. You see how that nice and shines? That's the 400. You could tell the difference just by looking at it. 400, 1000 grit. The way you would do this, I leave both caps off. So I just have a little nonsense knife. Let's just put that on. Now all these sides are magnetic. It's a little magnetic plate that is on there. You just literally do that. And this one doesn't like to stick up so far, but you would have this down on the table just like that. You place this down on the table and put it up to the knife, and you just roll these spin. A little rubber edge there that spins. You just roll it back and forth a couple times. Flip it around to the other side, your 1000 grit after your rough, and just do that. Then what you would have to do is take the knife off, flip it around to do the other side of the edge. Do the same thing. A couple times back and forth with your rough edge, and then a couple times back and forth with your fine edge. The 400, and the 1000 grit. I don't think it'll work too well with this, so I'm not going to try it. This works just fine for what I use it for in my little room here, my little office. So I'm not going to grind it on this. That's just fine by me. Let's just put these little covers back on so I don't get any nicks on them or anything like that. And what's nice about this little set, see that big hole in the middle? You have this on your table, your counter and a cabinet, and you can store that in it. Doesn't take up too much room. It's really not that big. Yeah, I can't wait to get this home, check it out on some of my kitchen knives, cutting knives, whatever, all of that. So yeah, nice little stand on that. I can't wait to get this home and check it out on the knife set that I have at home. Make them extra nice and sharp. I have a couple different other sharpeners at home, but I can't wait to try this out just because of the different angles. I got to figure out what is recommended for the specific knives that I have at home. But yeah, I can't wait to check this out. Not too bad. Get it online, get it on any platform, search on anywhere. You're going to find these. They're coming up everywhere. Just search it, find the best price for you. I forget what I got this for. I've actually had it in the box for a while, so I can't tell you how much I actually paid for this. But yeah, I'm excited to use it. Yeah, this knife sharpening rolling set that I have here is all I want to show you today. If you like this video, hit that like button down below, hit the subscribe, and hit that bell. It'll alert you every time there's new stuff coming. Take care.